This video will show you how to watch a YouTube short as a regular page. If you're battling to see more information on a short that you want to watch more carefully, this method will allow you to scrape info from it and see other video details more easily such as the transcript, and download it more easily. Stop the short, change the details in the URL shown, like use the same video ID and change only the part of the link that says shorts as per this message. Change it to watch $V equals, just like that. Leave the video ID and press enter. Shorts are based on the video format itself, not just the link. So square or vertical videos up to 3 minutes are categorized as shorts. Longer than 3 minutes will automatically designate them as long-form videos, regardless of the vertical format. This means you will need to create a thumbnail, or YouTube will choose one for you from the video. If you have a short, you can add an image somewhere in that short video to change to indicate as a thumbnail. If you watch the video I link, you'll be able to see how to do that too. Please subscribe, add a comment, let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to show you how to do.